How to disable typing indicators in Zangi. Alright, let's talk about those little bubbles that pop up when someone's typing on the Zangi, the typing indicators. Some find them helpful, others find them a bit too much. Today, I will show you how to turn them off. It's super easy. First things first, let's open the Zangi app. Once inside the Zangi app, you will be directed to your chat section, and this is exactly how your chat section look like. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the gear icon or setting icon which is in bottom right corner. Over here, tap on it, and there you will see an option for privacy which is right over here. Just tap on it. Once inside the privacy setting, you will see an option called show when I'm typing. So this is what we have been searching for. It's probably toggled on right now. Simply tap on it and turn it off. It should go from blue to white. And that's it. You have successfully disabled typing indicators. Now, when you are typing, your contacts won't see those little bubbles. This also means you won't see their typing indicators either. Easy peasy, right? Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.